across all kinds of industries and all types of applications all around the world. Technology is transforming what's possible in modern built environments. But without our brains, it's just a building. At AutomatedLogic, we are global leaders in building automation systems. We have an intuitive, proven platform, and we put it to work every day to help our customers bring their buildings to life. It's about making equipment smarter, enabling connectivity, improving comfort, enhancing efficiency and productivity, and doing it all while making it easier than ever to understand operations and optimize building performance with simple tools. We do it by looking beyond technologies and focusing on true solutions that make sense for customers, from building owners to operators to facility professionals. It's how we translate ideas and visions into real plans, real building automation systems, and ultimately, some of the most intelligent buildings on Earth. We are AutomatedLogic, and in making connectivity and automation simpler and solutions smarter, we make buildings better.